What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the technology that empowers machines to simulate human intelligence. Now, what is human intelligence? You see, with the human intelligence, computers can think, not simply calculate. Thinking is something which machines cannot do. Only humans can do. Now, with the help of AI, machines are empowered to think. How can they think? Let me list out human intelligence process: learning, reasoning, and problem solving, understanding a language, and decision making. These processes are part of human intelligence. It is because of these processes we are intelligent. Now, to make machines intelligent, to make machines think, AI empowers machines to have these processes. Now, AI computers that are empowered with AI, they can learn, they can reason, they can do problem solving, they can understand the language, and they can do decision making. That's why we say AI is the technology that empowers machines to simulate human intelligence.